Hello guys, today I've got JBL Endurance Peak 4 earbuds and I'm going to show you how to fix that the battery level of your earphones is not reliable. So, how to fix that? At first, you need to try charging them up to 100%. After charging, you need to check if everything works. It should take about 2 hours, I think, as far as I remember. 2 hours or 3 hours, maybe 2 hours I think, or maybe 60 minutes, doesn't matter. You need to just charge them up to 100%, both earbuds in the case, and check whether you still have this problem. If you still have this problem, we need to go even deeper. You need to perform a factory reset. If you want to know how to perform a factory reset, you can check our channel because we've got a video about that. So, if the factory reset didn't help you, you need to, of course, contact device support to have it fixed because your battery sensor is at fault and we can't fix it manually. Bye!